Hey guys, so a very quick video for those out searching in a Google and trying to find like what's the best way to make screenshots on your Windows 11. My work like includes making screenshots a lot, and previously I was always using let me show you this snipping tool, which is just a built-in utility for the Windows. So whenever you need to make a screenshot, you just go to the search or the start bar, open the snipping tool, and then you click new, and then the window like grays out. You do not see me right now, I believe. And then voila, you just select the area and you have a screenshot in which you can also draw and do all of this stuff, which is nice for some rare occasions when you don't need to make them frequently. But to increase like your productivity for the work you need to make screenshot, copy paste it somewhere else, and you don't want to open any utility, there's actually a shortcut in Windows 11 that you can use on a keyboard. And to do that, to not open a snipping tool every time, you just need to press three buttons together. It is a Windows button, Shift button, and S for the screenshot. So when you press those three buttons together, you immediately get the grayed out screen with a selection. You select the screenshot, you don't even see it, but it actually there. So if I will go to, sorry, not the publisher, if I will go to MS Paint, open it up here, Control V, here is the screenshot again. Windows Shift S, make a screenshot of this element, Control V, there it is. So very clean way how to make screenshots in Windows 11. Hope this was helpful. See you later, guys. Bye bye.